Hey there, my YouTube friends and family. Me and my son's gonna do a little bit of opening some cars up and show you our haul we got. Look, you wanna say hey, baby? Hey. He loves doing this, y'all. All right. Up first, we got the Mustang, the 2+2 fastback, like my old Mustangs. And we are going to put these on a turner too. Then we got the kit concept car, Night Rider. Yep. All right, baby, leave them alone. Put them back in there. Put them back in there. Them are for wheel swaps. Then we got the '69 Copo Camaro. Yep. Put them back in the. These are for my wheel swaps. Leave them alone, baby. We get these right here. Then we got the 84 Audi. Quit, that hurts. 84 Audi Sport Quad. Quit, baby, that hurts. Then we got the Mazda RX-7 with the Falcon livery on it. It's pretty nice. Then we got the '94 Bugatti. Quit now. Bugatti EB 110. Stood over here. Here, yep. And I like this like a battleship gray. It's cool looking. Just don't hit me like that. It hurts. Hit my stomach. Then we got the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. It's the super for the K case, but this is just a regular. Still a pretty cool find. Then I found this Porsche 911 GT3. But that was pretty cool. Well, that was a big yawn. Then we found the 40 Ford pickup truck, the drag racer.
I want to hook a hole in it.
Then we found the Ford Mustang GT concept police car. Yep. It says Track Patrol on it. Then we got the 06 Pontiac GTO, the drag strip car. You can't see it in here, got some slicks on it. Pretty cool. Hey baby, we'll open all these up. Then I found the Corvette C8R. Thought that there was pretty cool. Yep. Alright, y'all. And I found the KK regular treasure hunt. You can see the locate right there. A pretty cool find right there. All right, let's get turn this video here around, and we're going to turn the turner on and put some cars on the turner. All right, y'all, let's do it. Say
wee. The robot just hanging away the police car.
Yeah, let's fix this. There we go.
The robot wants to open it
Right, help if I turn it on.
Oh, it has its ammo. Look, it has an ammo on the car.
Open it up, open it up. Let me help you get it started.
No, the Hot Wheels.
Yeah, there we go. Throw it on the ground. And put it on the turner, baby, when you get done with it. We open up the Mustang police car. This way, baby. It's going to be easier to go this way. Uh-oh. Try it again.
It's the one going back off.
There we go. We got it stayed in. All right, while that there's on the turner, y'all looking at, we're going to open up the Nissan Skyline. Come on, baby. You can do it.
I did it really fast.
Yes, you did. All right, put it on the turner.
was hanging off.
There we go. That's a cool casting right there. Not this one yet, baby. I got one right here. We're gonna do the Copo Camaro next. Here you go. Boy, he loves opening them up, y'all. You have to see his face open them up. Come on. Open up that Mustang. Now we're gonna open up the old Mustang.
That other one had that badge on it.
Yeah. All right, baby, put that in there on the turner. Come on now, you moved the camera. All right, then we open up the GTO. I like my old Mustangs there. I had a '65 when I was a 16, which I never got rid of that car. You already opened it up? All right, let's put it on the...
I already opened it up.
Put that bad boy on there.
Yes, I already opened it up.
Yeah. And what's that one there? That's the Porsche. Now we open up the Porsche. Don't be in that big of a hurry. Come on. Get your finger right here. Get your finger right there and pull down on it. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see got some wide tires in that joker right there now. Check them meats out. As Pac would say. Now check that there out. That's a cool casting there, y'all. That Porsche.
What is this?
Now there's an Audi. An Audi, my bad, an Audi. I'm gonna put your finger, there we go. There you go. Now we're gonna open up the kit car, the Night Rider.
Yes, it has a beach badge on it. It's a beach car.
He says a beach car.
Well, it has a beach
It's a
badge
desert
on
thing,
it.
baby. Alright, got finished opening it. Alright, put it on the table.
No, what? Not red.
Yeah. Now we're gonna open up the C8 Corvette. Boy, you're getting good at taking them things off. And opening them up. You're getting good at it. Now you're gonna open up the 44 Dragster.
How do you open it up?
I ain't a Chevrolet fan, but I like that new Corvette there. I like the C8s. Them are nice.
How do you on the pie?
There you go. Open it up, baby. I was just bragging on you. You was fast, and you're getting slow on this one.
It's so hot.
Yeah. All right, put that old big boy on the turn there. All right, now we open up the Bugatti. Got the old Copo cam thing on the side of it. And look at the meats on that thing there. Ain't it's quite as big. I thought they was as big as those. They not. They kind of small. You dropped it.
Yes. Oh, what is that?
It's a spider wheel, baby. There you go. Right, put it on this turner. Put it on the turner. I got it off. I got it off. Come on, put it on the turner. Yep. Then we opened up the Mazda with the Falcon delivery on it. Boy, you opened that one up so quick. Wait a second, let that there turn for a minute. You opened that one too quick. You got fast on that one there, boy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, wait a second. Wait 1 second. Maybe you gotta be careful around this stuff right here. I want that as far as it closes, baby. I'm sorry. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let him open up the Dodge treasure hunt. How about that there? Open up a treasure hunt in this one for y'all. Open it up, baby.
I need hats on this one.
Yeah, baby, put it on the turner. Put that special one on the turner. Oh, you went a little too far. You got this on there. Check that bad boy out there, y'all. Got the spare tire in the back. It's ready to do some desert running there. People say I'm crazy for opening up treasure hunts, but I'm not. I got I normally try to find two, open one and leave one in the pack. So I do got one still carded. But my boy just enjoys opening these cars up.
Are you gonna let me take one home?
I might let you take one home. Alright, let's turn this thing back. Turn it back around, put it way out there. Let's get it right here. Alright, y'all, that's all for our little video today.
Bye.
Bye. What'd you say?
Bye.
No, you're supposed to say
Peace out.
peace out, y'all.
Peace out.